wants to know what their snot is made of? All right, experiment time. Let's make a booger. See, your mucus also contains fats. This is to help keep your mucus wet and moist. Then we add a pinch of salt. This helps the mucus move through the nose. Salt is what also gives boogers their taste.
Yummy!
How do you know what boogers taste like, Mr. Snotbottom?
I
Let's not talk about that. It's not actually unhealthy to eat your boogers because the next ingredient is antibodies. These are like little hunters that find the mucus, will find the germs that your mucus traps. Woo!
Quick, Mr. Snotbottom. The mucus is covering the ship. It must think that we're a nasty germ.
Oh no! It might get us with its antibodies! Okay, everybody, let's hurry up. The fats, salts, and antibodies are only 3% of your entire booger.
Hooray!
Just 3%.
Ow.
That's right, 97% of your snot is actually water.
Blup, 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 blup.
And once it traps all the germs and other particles, it mixes together to make a booger. Actually takes quite a few hours, so we won't be seeing that today. Sorry, pretty rubbish experiment, wasn't it? What? What?